How to use Google Search. Google Search will try to use the words you use to find related information on the internet. For this reason, you can help it to find the best information by choosing to put important words first. Do you have an exact phrase? Put it in quotes such as, quote, New York City, end quote. Google search will help you by also searching using related words, so don't worry too much about whether to use singular or plural, past or present tense, etc. When the search results appear to be irrelevant, don't give up yet. Could you add another word that adds more context to what you're already trying to search? Look for the related searches section to see what other words people use in the context of your search. You can also use the word or to combine searches. Use a minus sign in front of a word to leave it out from search results. Let's quickly check what you've learned.